You know, there's a strange silence in true wealth. Once, at a friend's wedding, I saw two types of people. One, flaunting gold watches, designer suits, and imported perfumes, loud, confident, attention-seeking. And then there was a quiet man in a simple linen shirt driving a modest car. No one knew him. Later I learned. He owned 3 companies, invested in real estate across 2 countries, and his portfolio had over $15 million in equities and dividend-paying ETFs. He smiled and said just one thing: real wealth doesn't need to announce itself. That line stuck with me. The poorer someone feels, the more they try to prove they're rich. So the question is, why do the rich stay low-key? And how can you master that same invisible power? What's the secret mindset of those who stay invisible, but keep multiplying their net worth quietly? By the end, you'll walk away with a wealth blueprint that gives you peace of mind, financial power that compounds quietly, and a lifestyle that doesn't need validation because it's built on freedom, not fear. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's dive deep, not into luxury, but into strategy. Number 1. The rich understand that flashy is expensive and peace is priceless. You know that urge to upgrade your phone the moment a new model drops? That's your ego begging for validation. Here's the truth. Rich people don't buy peace with money. They buy silence from chaos. The average person earns $60,000 a year and spends $65,000 trying to look successful. The wealthy flip that equation. They live on $60K even when earning $600K. Why? Because the less they flex, the more their assets compound. Think about it. Every $1,000 you waste on temporary validation could have been $10,000 in 10 years with compounding returns. That's not a financial theory. That's math with consequences. The rich don't chase appearances because they know. Luxury is like sugar, sweet for a second, addictive forever. They invest in things that don't scream wealth: index funds, real estate, dividend-paying ETFs, stocks with growth potential. Number 2. They know attention is a liability, not an asset. Here's something most people never realize. Wealth loves privacy. When you attract too much attention, you invite envy, judgment, and expectations. And the rich, they're allergic to all 3. A flashy lifestyle is like leaving your financial diary open on a park bench. People read it, interpret it, and use it against you. Billionaires often say, if they can find you, they can target you. And that doesn't just mean crime. It means obligations, pressure, fake friendships, and the kind of drama that drains your mental bandwidth. Invisible wealth gives freedom. When nobody knows what you earn, you control the narrative. You can walk into a store, buy what you want, and walk out without anyone calculating your net worth. Here's the insider move. Confuse curiosity. Dress simply, act humble, invest quietly, and let your dividends grow silently in the background. The less they know, the more power you hold. Because in a noisy world, the quiet investor is always underestimated, and that's his biggest advantage. Number 3. The wealthy don't measure status by things. They measure it by control. Here's a paradox. The guy in the Lamborghini often works for the guy in sweatpants who owns the parking lot. See, control, not consumption, defines real wealth. The poor rent image, the rich buy options. That's why you'll never see Warren Buffett flexing a yacht, because the real luxury is time freedom. Every flashy purchase comes with invisible chains, insurance, maintenance, reputation pressure. But control? That's freedom without strings attached. So how do they get it? They build systems. They automate investments, delegate time-wasting tasks, and focus their effort where returns multiply, not where attention amplifies. You might not afford a mansion yet, but you can own your morning. You can automate $200 monthly into an index fund, track your spending, or read one financial book a month. That's how control starts. Small but scalable. Number 4. They know flaunting success delays growth. Here's the hidden danger of showing off. Once you start performing for approval, you stop performing for progress. You begin spending time maintaining your image instead of expanding your portfolio. Your self-worth becomes tied to the validation loop: likes, comments, attention, not to the compounding effect of your habits. The rich know that showing off kills hunger, because when everyone claps for you too early, you start believing the show is over. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how those who post every success milestone online tend to fade after a year? That's not coincidence. It's complacency. Invisible wealth thrives in silence. When you're not busy flaunting, you're busy building. Here's a story. A man once bought a luxury car right after his first big business win. He felt unstoppable until a year later when his company ran out of cash. The car was sold before the next model launched. He learned the hard way. Flexing drains both money and focus. The wealthy? They celebrate privately, reinvest quietly, and let time do the talking. Number 5. The rich understand energy leaks and how to seal them. Every conversation you have, every argument online, every flexing competition, it leaks energy. The poor seek validation. The rich seek velocity. Money follows energy. The more focused it is, the faster it multiplies. That's why wealthy people avoid bragging, gossip, and unnecessary debates. They protect their mental bandwidth like an investor guards capital. If your energy is scattered trying to impress others, you're like a leaky bucket. No matter how much money flows in, it drains out somewhere. Practical fix is do a mental audit. Who are you explaining your goals to? Who's draining your time with comparison games? Cut them out. Instead, invest that energy into learning, not showing. Read about stock diversification, study compound interest, or build a side income stream. In a year, you'll realize the peace of invisibility is more profitable than the price of popularity. Number 6. The rich don't dress to impress, they dress to express efficiency. Notice how the richest people wear the same thing daily. It's not because they lack taste, it's because they outsource decision fatigue. Every decision consumes mental fuel. Mark Zuckerberg once said his gray t-shirt uniform saves him time for bigger decisions, like where to invest billions. The poor think clothes define status. The rich know decisions define destiny. When your energy isn't wasted picking outfits, you can focus on optimizing your cash flow, planning tax-efficient investments, or tracking your portfolio performance. And here's the funny part. The rich can buy any brand, but they rarely do. Why? Because wearing luxury kills curiosity. The moment people know your value, they treat you differently, and that distorts reality. Staying invisible allows them to see the world without filters. They get real conversations, real deals, and real people, not the ones chasing perceived money. So the next time someone mocks your simple outfit, remember, every plain t-shirt millionaire once walked past a crowd obsessed with logos. Number 7. They use boredom as their secret weapon. While most people fear boredom, the wealthy crave it. Because boredom is the birthplace of consistency. The stock market rewards the patient, not the dramatic. Those who stick to index funds, dollar-cost averaging, and long-term investing, while others panic, quietly get rich. The show-off crowd loves adrenaline, crypto hype, meme stocks, luxury toys. They chase excitement, the rich chase efficiency. Here's the irony. The more boring your wealth habits, the more exciting your future becomes. Invest $500 a month into ETFs, automate contributions, and forget about them for 10 years. That's how you build invisible wealth. No fireworks, no selfies, just quiet compounding magic. Every time your ego says, buy something to show progress, your discipline should whisper, buy assets, not attention. Number 8. The rich understand that silence protects sanity, and sanity protects wealth. When you stop showing off, you stop chasing. When you stop chasing, you start thinking. When you start thinking, you start winning. Wealth requires clarity, and clarity needs quiet. Noise, from social media, comparison, validation, is mental clutter. It keeps you reacting instead of reflecting. Rich people stay invisible because invisibility gives perspective. They don't need to broadcast every move. They let results whisper. They understand something deep. The moment your money starts speaking louder than your mouth, you've achieved real wealth. So take this as your sign. The next time you're tempted to show off, pause. Ask yourself, is this for me or for their attention? If it's for them, skip it. If it's for you, invest it. So stay low-key. Build systems. Protect peace. Because someday when your net worth speaks for itself, you'll realize the richest sound in the world is silence. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. If you're curious about how the rich treat every dollar, Like an employee, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.